parents said you never go anywhere playing video games.
Table's okay.
We have an art program here called Enro, and it allows us to just do all of our different pieces of the artwork. So here's the Cardwell sign, and it's got a bunch of different layers to it. Like Cardwell, the name will be one layer, hardwood's another, saw blade, teeth that I was cutting earlier. And I can break all those pieces out. I think this is a 4x8 sheet here, and it's like I start nesting over pieces to make sure I'm getting really good layout and usage method. So this is the next thing.
So it's gonna jump around and cut all the holes first. Might seem really sporadic. So, but I have it doing it, and it's most efficient manner. So it decides its shortest route through everything.
So these are all of our different torches, or our nozzles and electrodes for the CNC. So I'd say it's like a man's jewelry box or a machinist's jewelry box. So I've got all my parts here, and I've got, say, 45 amp here, 65 amp, 85 amp. These are our used ones. These are our new ones. Kind of keep everything organized. And then we've got boxes of other parts that we may need. So these are full boxes of electrodes, different shields. Here's our scriber from Easy Scriber. All of that.
They'll all be shiny metal. This will stay mill scale finish on it. And this will stay mill scale finish on it. I'm gonna hit it with carbon though, get the edges to shine a little bit, give it a little bit of an aged stress look, and then polish this part so that it allows the letters to stand off of this. Then we have this strip here that I had Sam cut. So one of the things I'm learning about lighting is what we can do with it and where it has to be placed in order to get those things happen. So I wanted the sign to look like the blade was spinning. So give it a polished look, that'll look super cool. But then putting these curves in it, casting light out, we want it to look like the blade spinning. So this is a 3 foot by 5 5. But when we get done with it, it's going to be more like, you know, with the lights kicking out of it, it should be closer to like a 7 8 sign. So it goes on a big wall space. So it goes with the design that we came up with. We do a lot where the letters are backlit, different things like that. But this is going to be in a well-lit space on a big wall. So getting letters to glow wasn't really necessary. It's just showing the blade, like letters stand off of that, then getting light show behind it. So all we have to do is make sure that we get our rotation correct. Look at it.